In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and verify a professional contact email responsibly for outreach. The goal here is to do this in a professional, ethical, and organized way, using only public information and making sure your outreach is respectful. Start by opening the person's LinkedIn profile. From there, confirm the basics: their name, the company they work for, and their current role. This matters because accurate details help you avoid contacting the wrong person and make your message more relevant. Take a moment to double check that the profile is current and that the company information matches what you expect. Next, look for any public contact details that are already available. Check their LinkedIn profile for website links or publicly shared business information. Then visit the company website and look for team pages, contact pages, press pages, or other public sections that may list professional contact details. The key here is to rely only on information that has been intentionally made public. Once you've gathered what you can, use ChatGPT to organize the information you already found. For example, you can compile the person's name, title, company website, and any publicly visible contact details into a clean summary. This helps you stay accurate and makes the next steps easier, especially if you're researching multiple contacts. After that, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest likely professional email formats, but only based on public company patterns. That means you should first identify whether the company publicly uses a format like first name dot last name, first initial plus last name, or something similar. ChatGPT can help you turn that pattern into possible professional email variations, but it should not invent private information or rely on anything non-public. Before sending anything, verify the email using a trusted email verification tool. This is an important quality check. Verification helps reduce bounce rates, saves time, and lowers the risk of sending messages to the wrong address. Even if an email format looks correct, don't assume it's valid until you verify it. Once you have a verified professional email, write a respectful outreach message with a clear reason for contacting them. Keep it concise, professional, and relevant to their role or company. Make sure your message explains why you're reaching out and what value or context you're offering without sounding pushy. Most importantly, avoid using private, scraped, or unauthorized personal information at any point in the process. Sticking to public data and professional communication standards helps protect privacy and keeps your outreach credible, compliant, and respectful.